What is up, you guys? It's Daisy, and it's day 3 of the weekend with Savannah. It's 8:51, and I'm about to go get change for a 10 just down the street somewhat at a store. It's because my mom and her friend decided to have a garage sale, and my mom, being the very unprepared late person, forgot to do that. So that's what I'm gonna go do.
We'll dig deep and get you 100%.
I'm at the store. So what the hell? My makeup looks so kind of uneven. So right now I'm just kind of starting to do my makeup because we're going to take new photos for our separate channels, and then also our collab channel, and then also for this channel of mine. So many channels, so much work to do, isn't that right, Savannah?
Yep.
So yeah, Wish is like, what? Look at this makeup, guys. No, I promise it's gonna look way better than that. Okay, I'm done. Now we're gonna have to do this in a rush. Thank you a lot, Mom. Oh, there's something in my eye. I don't know what it is, but it freaking hurts. Look at this fish shot, my friends. This is weird. This is so weird. I don't know how Stella uses this a lot. It's a lens dirty? What the hell? I don't know. No. My mom decided to change plans.
Her mom decided to
And we paid the consequences.
Oh shit, that's crazy.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is up, you guys? I have to now.
Take the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked. Take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby,
I'm on fire.
I'm on fire.
So, have this. Lots of dancing. I'm tired. I'm a little bit giggly.
She got 2 shots.
I got 2 shots. It's been very fun. I need to come to these parties more often, these cookouts and everything.
She does.
Her family is very nice. So, and very fun.
My tongue is pink because of the drink.
What's mine?
Normal.
But yeah, we're gonna go to the restroom, and then she's gonna get cake because I'm not a fan of cake.
Me neither, but it looked good.
Okay. I almost fell off the chair. I think I am a little bit drunk. It's starting to hit, but I'm good. No, maybe I'll put the video, like a little clip of it, or when I took the first shot. But yeah. How are you liking the cake? Okay. What is up, you guys? It's been a while since I started recording again. and I'm a little bit drunk. But yeah, I'm inside. Savannah's still outside, and I'm gonna go join her. So yeah.
She thought she was recording this entire time. She fell off the bed, by the way. And I'm over here angry because I'm trying to fix this thing. It doesn't let me click it. Do you think who's coming over?
Gus is coming over.
And what are you supposed to be doing?
I'm supposed to be doing nachos.
Bye.
Nacho cheese. So it is close to 2 in the morning, and I think we're just resting. We're really tired. I know I haven't really slept a lot. We were outside talking after Gus left. He was here for about an hour. We ate some nachos, and we were just talking. It was pretty chill, really nice. And now we're just here. Savannah's like already knocking out. I'm super tired as well. Yeah.
We gotta take pictures.
We have to take pictures for our channels. So yeah, wish us luck. I'm just like falling asleep. Oh shit. I'm hoping I didn't just block the audio. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be posting us taking photos because we're gonna be using our phones. So yeah. Good night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 4. And peace and love. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Are you tired? I want to take photos. Just me. Just kidding. Bitch. You're like,
Cool.
okay.
It's cool.
Mm-hmm. I can't do it. I don't know how to do Chewbacca.
We're gonna do our best impersonation of Chewbacca.
I can't.
Try.
No, both of us at the same time.
Okay. You're gonna lie to me. And
No, I'm not. No, I promise.
1,
2, 3.
three.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I was going. I don't know.
Roll your tongue, Daisy.
I'm chewing gum. That sounds like a retarded Chewbacca. I think we're done here.
Hey
We're-
guys, it's Daisy. And today we are going to...
is-
Oh, my hand goes...
What the heck was that?
Oh my god.
I didn't get to record it though.
I'm not gonna do it again.
Do it again.
Nope.
Do it again.
Oh.
My nose.